Today I'm going to show you how to connect YouTube as a destination in StreamYard. So in StreamYard, right from your homepage over here, you'll see create, and then you'll see live stream. Go ahead, click on that and click on YouTube. Now, this important part over here will allow you to connect your YouTube channel. So make sure that you're choosing the right account. Okay, go ahead, choose the account that you need. You'll find yourself now in the screen over here. Here you can mute your mic, you can stop your cam, and you can change your settings from general, camera, audio, visual effects, including your recording options, some hotkeys to help you get through the stream nice and easily, and how you manage your guests. Now once you're ready, enter a display name and click on Enter Studio. Now, if you go ahead and click on your microphone or your camera, you will mute it or turn it off temporarily. You can also use the arrow to change the options additionally. You can add scenes in over here. You can invite people. You can use a teleprompter, access your settings. You can see all your scenes over here on the left-hand side. So let's say you want to click on this one over here. We want to just show on stage. So now we will just be able to share our screen. And then you can also see what you'll actually be able to share over here. So these are the different scenes that you'll have. You can just use this drop down for additional scenes. And then you can also create new layouts and edit current layouts. Now, up over here at the top, instead of it saying add destination, you will see your YouTube channel over here. Okay, once your YouTube channel is here, you'll know that it is ready to go, and this button will turn into a start stream button. You're going to go ahead, click on that, and you're ready to stream on YouTube.